how does it feel to be part of this kind of great initiative as such?
First of all, I'm really happy that on my birthday I can do something like this and I can, make it special for somebody. And I think it's very nice when you can actually touch someone's life and make a difference to them. So it feels great. I'm really, really happy that I'm able to do this, and I am fortunate enough to be able to come here and to help people like this. And it feels great.
But what should be done to improve the condition of people belonging to old age? Because basically the condition of the people who are at their old age is not very fine in India. I mean, it's very unstable. They are not economically well off. So what should be done as a celebrity? What do you think?
First of all, the situation is really sad, but places like Anand Niketan, where we are today, do take care of people very nicely. And this home is especially for people who are missing, or people who meet with an accident and suddenly lose their memory, or meet with some sort of tragic incident in their life. Right. And people who can trace back their homes are always sent back, but people who cannot are here for the long. And so homes like this do have good conditions. They are given food, they are given basic hygiene, they are given facilities, clean beds, clean bed sheets to sleep on. They are provided with basic things. In fact, basic requirements and comforts that we all need. But for otherwise, generally, it's not about being a celebrity, it's more about being a human. People like you and me, everyone around can actually be a part of change and can actually help in their own way possible.
Being a celebrity, what way you can contribute to this cause as such?
I try my best. I try to come visit whenever it's possible. I try to, like for example, special occasions, we make sure everybody, not just me, everyone in my family, we make sure that we do come and spend some time, probably come join them for one meal, like a lunch, and do something to make them feel happy.
Talking about the film projects, what's in the pipeline in Hindi industry and South industry?
In Hindi, I'm doing a film which is a remake of Ceasefire, an Iranian film with Sharman. And this is bound to start sometime in August. Okay. And in the South, I'm doing 2 Telugu films and 1 Tamil film with Dhanush.
FIFA World Cup is also running. Are you following soccer?
Not really, but I am quite in sync with all the buzz and the excitement around it. But not really. I mean, I don't follow football to the T.
And a new venture, Metro, has been added to the city. So
yeah, that's so exciting. I saw it last night.
Okay.
I think it's amazing, and I'm really excited, and I'm very happy for the city.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you.